Like I saw in the last video, man, she on her way. Shout out to my boy Eddie. If you need any tows in the city, man, hit my guy up. He do appointments and all. But she on the way to non-stop. 24-inch waves coming. We're doing a 24-inch step lip, 7-inch in the rear. So we got to shorten the rear end, notch the frame. But yeah, she on the way. I think over the off season we're gonna go ahead and switch out tanks. Get all this going, clean it all up, probably redo the exhaust and everything, but who knows. The video will be on the way soon. See y'all in a minute. Ah, damn, boy. Been a couple years in the making, but got them done. You know, I know I was talking shit about them 7s before, but sheesh. 24-inch step lip. This will be the first on the G-body. First on the G-body. So I've been inquiring about them. I wanted to do it when we did the other wheels, but we were rushing and couldn't get anything done in time. But now they're here. Perfect timing. Debut on the new Wades. I think I might end up coming back and doing some black around here. But nah, the motherfuckers are beautiful, bro. Sheesh. So that's what the car on the way for. We're gonna shorten the rear end and notch the frame, and we're gonna get the things tucked up under there. Let me pull them out the box so you can see them on the ground. So that's both staggered setup. We got a 2.5-inch up front, 7-inch in the rear. Man, I can't wait, but it's Christmas in November. So let me get to it. Let's take it out there. I appreciate y'all checking it out. And then next little clip, y'all probably see it mounted. All right, so we made it non-stop. About to get started. Got some tires on there.
Thank you, sir.
So pretty. Come back to the finished product. Finally got it back. She said low now. Okay, that was smooth. Look good. Real good. Alright, let me go take her around the block. Alright, there she go. On the ways. Boy, that step look mean, boy. Oh yeah. We in there. 24-inch step lip, 7-inch outer. Came out perfect. Shout out to the gang at Forgiato. I say, officially my first design. But yeah, she in there. Turn this car into a whole nother vibe. Whole nother vibe. 2.5-inch step lip up front. Hopefully y'all can see what I mean. In case you don't know. See kind of how that lip has a beveled edge on it. But yeah, man. Excited to do this. So first G-body in the streets with a 24-inch step lip on it. Got it tucking. Shout out to Nonstop Restorations. They got the rear end shortened for me. Got the ride height adjusted for me. So I think I'm gonna keep it right here. But yeah, I love the look. Love the look. She sit perfect right on top of the tire, just tugging a little bit so where it ain't got a mean squat to it, but we'll still sit down. Yeah, that's it. So like I say, we got this going. 2023, doing all new trim. I'm taking the 6.0 that we got out and redoing everything up under the hood. We're gonna send it out to Cali, get Sac Speed Shop on it, and, you know, just go over, see what bugs we got on the car since I've driven it for a year. Got a good summer out of it. Showed off a little bit, so we got the interior done. Now it's kind of just pressing me to do all the little fine cleanup stuff. So all new trim, wheel wells, get the bumpers polished, get those came out, get the new impact strip on there, probably new bezels, so all this would be that fresh black. But yeah, that's it right there. So I appreciate y'all checking it out. I'll hit you next time I have an update.